Welcome back everyone. So in the previous session we looked upon the axioms, the difference between the axioms and postulate. Axiom are the proven statement which are used in entire mathematics, and postulates are limited to geometry only. So in this session we are going to look upon Euclid's postulates. I hope it is clear to you. Now let us have a look at upon very first postulate. So 5 postulate Euclid given. First one is a straight line may be drawn from any point to any other point. Euclid assumed that there is a unique line joining two distinct points. Let's see the illustration of this postulate. So as you can see, we have 2 points P and Q, and from P many lines, or you can say infinite lines, can be drawn from P only. Similarly from Q as well, infinitely many lines can be drawn, but between P and Q only one unique line can be drawn. I hope it is clear to you. Let's move to our second postulate. Euclid's second postulate said a terminated line can be produced indefinitely. In present day term, we say that a line segment can be extended on either side to form a line. Let's see the illustration. See, this is AB. A and B, there are 2 points and in which a line is drawn. Now this A and B can go, this line can be produced indefinitely, right? There is no end of this line. I hope it is clear to you. Let's move to our next postulate. Postulate number 3 said circle can be drawn with any center and any radius. Let's see the illustration. See, as you can see over here, there are 3 circles are drawn, and all of these 3 circles have different centers and different radius. So there is no boundation on the center and radius. Apart from these 3, many other more circles can also be drawn. I hope it is clear to you. Let's move to our next postulate, that is the fourth one. Fourth postulate, what it said that, what is the fourth postulate said? All right angles are equals to one another. Now what it said that whatever the right angle you draw in whatever the direction, they will always be equals to each other, because you know right angle is what, 90 degree, and 90 degree is going to be same in all the scenarios. Making sense? Let's proceed to our fifth and the last postulate, and that is also known as Playfair's axiom. If a straight line falling on 2 straight lines making the interior angle on the same side of it taken together less than 2 right angles, then the 2 straight lines, if produced indefinitely, meet on that side on which the sum of the angle is less than the 2 right angle. Now let's understand this, what it is saying. Let's say if a straight line falling on 2 straight lines. Now first of all, let's draw 2 straight lines. This is AB and this is CD. These are the 2 straight line, and let's say one straight line PQ is falling on this. PQ is falling on AB, right? Now what it says, makes the interior angle on the same side. See, interior angles are these angles. These angles are known as interior angle on the same side. If taken together, let's say this interior angle is alpha, let's say this interior angle is beta. Taken together, that is alpha plus beta, if same side taken together less than 2 right angles, that is, if it is less than 2 right angles, that is 90 plus 90, or what I can say, that is 180. If these angles are less than two right angles, then what I can say, then the two straight line, if produced indefinitely, will meet on that side on which the sum of the angle is less than two right angles triangle. So if I talk about, see, this is also an internal angle, right? But the sum of these two will not be less than two right angles triangle. Why? Because as you can see, this angle is more than 90 degree and this angle is somewhat 90 degree, right? So the summation of these two angle will not be less than 180 degree. Which side the summation is less than 180 degree? On this side. And if you produce this side indefinitely, what I am doing, I am extending this line and I am extending this line as well, right? So if you extend these lines, what Euclid said, that they will meet somewhere, right? Where on that side where the sum of the internal angle is less than 180 degree. So I hope the fifth postulate makes sense to you, and that's how we are concluding this Euclid's postulates topic. I hope it is completely making sense to you. See you in the next class. Thank you so much.